Much for landing on this video. Here I wanted to show to you guys how I implement or how I generate um, schema for the rest for whatever I wanted to do. So take for instance I have a page that has a video in it and I wanted to um, generate a schema for that video so that I can put it at the header section of that page. So this is the way I most times go about it. So the first thing I do, and thanks to our lady Solis for putting us through the whole of the process, so we do not seem like a novice whenever we are asked to work on something. So the first thing I do whenever I need to generate a schema is that I come to this link, which is technicalseo.com/tools/schema markup generator. I already have this on my bookmark, so it's just very easy for me to go through and take for instance I wanted to generate a schema for this video, and this video is one of the FCDC expert series, with Schema doing awesome job, with FCDC. Yep, so let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is that I needed to know the name of that video, so which is the same as the title of the video. So I'm just going to come over to this place and then copy the title of the video, and then I come back to the schema generator, and then I paste it here in the name. But it's actually too long, crossing the color border out. So I would rather just to make it short and crisp, I would just take this part out, and then I'll have how to end your first 1K. So I could just say this and then FCDC, and then added that to it. So it's kind of shorter that way. And after that, I come over to select the video description. So the video description is also quite long, so I'm just gonna say take the first paragraph and then come back to this place and then add that as the video description. Then after that, I need to get the upload date and of course the time for that video. So I would come here, and then the upload date is 5th of August 2022. So I'll come here and then click this. This is August, okay, 5th, very recent video, and I think we're cool. So coming back to the timing is about 1 hour 21 1 hour 21 seconds. Sorry, 1 hour 21 minutes and 38 seconds. So I'll come here and then I'll say 1 hour 24 minutes. That'll be, I could say 72 minutes, and then I say 34 seconds. Yeah, that works. So the 1 hour is 60, then the 24 minute, right? 24 minute, right? 1 hour 21. So 60 plus 2, that's 81, then 38. This is going to be 81 minutes and then 38 seconds. So that as regards that. And then right now I need the thumbnail URL. So how do I get this thumbnail URL? It's kind of very tricky, so I need to get the URL to this. So there is this tool that I have also bookmarked as one of my SEO tools. So just click on this and scroll down to where the tool is being kept. So I just pull that out. So how do I go about using this tool to generate that? Is that I'll just come over to this place and then try to copy the video ID. The video ID is if you come over to the URL section of the video, you see V equals to something. So that what that V equals to is the ID. So I'm just gonna copy it, and then I come into this place. There is a specific place here that I'm to paste the video ID, and once that is done, it's going to generate the thumbnail for me. You see, right? So the thumbnail has been generated. So all I need to do is just copy this and then come paste this in the schema URL. Easy peasy. All right, so And next is the content URL. The content URL is the URL of the video in itself. So I could like just copy from the top here, or I just right click on the video and say copy video URL, or copy video URL at current time. So I prefer using copy video URL at current time. So I come over to this page and then I paste it into the content. So embed URL. So how do I get the embed URL? I pretty come through this place, come click on the video, right click, and then I say copy embed code. And then whenever I copy embed code, I am not copying all of the codes. There is this particular place that I have to like pick out of the code, and that's the actual source of the video. So I'll just copy that embed code into maybe a notepad, anywhere. I could even like put it here at the URL section of my browser. So I do that a lot so that I don't keep toggling between browsers. So I just do this and then I search for where it says SRC. I think that way I'm able to like get, okay, cool, so I'm almost there. So I come over to the video and then I search for where the source is. So SRC equals, so I'll just come over to this place and then I copy until it stops. So Ctrl C. So once that is done, that's like the embed URL. So I like just come here and then I copy that into it. So seek to action target URL. Seek to action target URL is like a URL that you want your users or whoever is like searching to like be directed to whenever they like do this. So most times, I've seen people use the URL to that video on YouTube, but most times what I do is that I use the URL to where I wanted to like put the video. So take for instance, if the video appears on this part of my website, where are you? So take for instance, if the video appears on a certain part of my website. So what I do is just that I'll copy the link to like that part of my website, stories. So take for instance, if the video appears on this part of my website, so I'll just copy the link to that part and then I'll paste it in here. So once I do that, I think we are absolutely good to go. So the next thing you do is that you click on this copy to copy the script, and then you can head over to the header section of your website to like conveniently paste in the script there, or you can use Google Tag Manager to put it on your website. You can even use this plugin called Schema Pro. You can also use that to like put the schema on your website. So that is how I've been going about it, and it's been pretty awesome for me. So thank you so much for watching the video, and of course, shout out to my teacher, Solis, for like showing us how all of these things can be done, so that we sing like a professional, and hopefully we keep learning. Thank you.